Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English Fast. I'm Lisa, and I'm really excited about today's topic because speaking every day is something many learners struggle with.
Hi, friends. I'm Mark. Yes, daily speaking practice is the key to fluency, but it can feel challenging if you don't have a routine or don't know where to start.
That's right. Many learners ask us, how can I speak English every day if I don't have anyone to talk to? Or what should I say if I'm alone?
Today, we'll share practical strategies, examples, and exercises to help you build a daily speaking habit, whether you're alone or with others.
Part 1. Why daily speaking practice matters.
Lisa, I always say that speaking English every day is like exercising a muscle. If you don't use it regularly, you lose strength.
Exactly. Language is a skill, and like any skill, it improves with practice. The brain needs constant use of speaking to build fluency and automatic recall.
When you speak daily, you improve in several ways at once: your pronunciation, your vocabulary recall, and your ability to form sentences quickly.
Yes, and daily speaking helps reduce the fear and anxiety many learners feel. The more you speak, the more confident you become.
Also, speaking daily helps you notice mistakes and correct them over time, improving accuracy naturally.
Without daily practice, it's easy to forget words or get stuck when trying to express ideas.
So daily speaking practice keeps your English active and ready to use in real conversations.
Part 2. Common challenges in speaking daily.
Despite its importance, many learners find daily speaking difficult.
One common challenge is not having someone to practice with regularly, especially for learners living in places without many English speakers.
Another is fear. Fear of making mistakes, being judged, or not knowing what to say.
Yes, this fear can stop learners from even trying to speak, which slows their progress.
Some learners also struggle with motivation or don't know how to create a daily speaking routine.
And time is another factor. People feel busy and don't set aside time specifically to practice speaking.
We want to show that even small, simple speaking practices can add up and make a big difference.
Part 3. Strategies to practice speaking every day.
Let's start with speaking aloud to yourself. Describe what you're doing during the day. For example, I am cooking dinner. I'm chopping vegetables.
This helps you get used to forming sentences and using vocabulary actively. You can do it anytime, while walking, cooking, or even driving.
Use language learning apps that have speaking exercises. Apps like Duolingo, HelloTalk, or Tandem connect you with native speakers or give speaking practice prompts.
Joining online conversation groups or language exchanges is also helpful. Even 10 to 15 minutes of speaking with others builds your skills and confidence.
Shadowing is a powerful technique. Listen to short sentences from podcasts or videos and repeat them immediately, trying to match the speaker's pronunciation and rhythm.
Recording yourself speaking about a topic or reading aloud lets you hear your mistakes and track your progress over time.
Set small, manageable daily goals. For example, speak for 5 minutes every day about your day, a topic you like, or even a story.
And don't worry about mistakes. Focus on communicating ideas clearly, and improvements will come with practice.
Part 4. Practice exercise. Daily speaking routine. Let's practice a short daily conversation together. I'll start, and Lisa will respond naturally.
Sounds good.
Good morning, Lisa. How did you sleep last night?
Good morning, Mark. I slept well, thank you. I went to bed early and felt very rested.
That's great. What are your plans for today?
Today, I plan to study English vocabulary and listen to an English podcast in the afternoon.
Nice. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I'm going hiking with some friends. I'm looking forward to it.
Sounds fun. Remember to take lots of pictures.
Of course, I love taking photos when I'm outdoors.
Now, you can try practicing similar conversations by yourself or with a partner.
Part 5. Daily Speaking Habits. When I started learning English, I was shy to speak with others, so I began speaking aloud to myself every morning.
That's a great way to start. I joined online language exchange groups to practice speaking with native speakers.
Recording my voice helped me hear my pronunciation mistakes and track my improvement over time.
I set a goal to speak English every day, even if only for 5 minutes, which built a strong habit.
Using topics I enjoyed, like hobbies or travel, made speaking practice more fun and natural.
Remember, consistency is more important than length. Even a few minutes daily makes a difference.
Thanks so much for practicing English speaking with us today.
Next episode, we'll explore how to improve your English writing skills.
Subscribe, keep speaking every day, and enjoy your English learning journey.
See you next time.